Fuck this shit! Logical, minuscule, probable, freaking jarring, proximal, shockable, into phenomenon, methodical, untimed, clockable, unresolvable, in this horrible, flammable, anxiety, stenches, volatile, nocturnal, shock, circles, rocking blocks, knocking rocks, clocking pockets, cost of the mock, personal, hunting, collateral, rating, the tragical, fanatical, inanimate, live, understandable, workable, sentence, penetrable, volcanic, nurtured, and irreversible. Memory dismantles, attacks, and folds them into demons hard in random proportions, brilliant entertainment and rapid fire motion. As far as they remember, hours are made. Too many signs when the price was paid. Inherent fear, the surrender doesn't fade. Weapons that blind defense, my crazy way. First comes the ignited light, next comes the blasting boom. The air rips the blinding night, then I'm charging in. Coming for you. Lights our soul to repel wicked darkness. Celebrating cleanse of my bizarreness. Why? Feeling so heartless. Maybe I'm a demon inside who hasn't started. Some souls are time too old, ripe enough to be dangerously grow, ripe enough to be primate as gold. The 9-foot cut sacred, brave against the bold. Broadway demon resolutions, agonize for fear, no tangible solutions. Maybe I'm the disease pollution, the structural balance of my execution. There's about the bang and unpaid karma. Make way for an intensified startup. The time sets off, 10 explosions, the llama breaking me wide open, broken and chopped off. First comes the ignited light, next comes the blasting boom. The air rips the blinding night, then I'm charging in. Coming for you. Lights our soul to repel wicked darkness. Celebrating cleanse of my bizarreness. Why I respond feeling so heartless. Maybe I'm a demon inside who hasn't started. Some souls are time too old, ripe enough to be dangerously grown, ripe enough to be primate's goal. A knife would cut sacred, brave against the bone. In a hell, which side should it be? I can't fucking tell. Jump on the side, only to just melt. Jump on the other side, find a mirror devil spell. Made friends and got to their leveling cells. They turn into little mazes of flows to sell. I get confused and ask my inner help. It shows the only truth from many hands dealt. I wanna leave this world and just rebel, but I don't know where I go to quietly